Okay, so today we went to the animal kingdom. And for those of you who have not been to the animal kingdom, you need to go because it is one amazing, amazing place. A lot of people will say that they like it better than the Magic Kingdom. Hey, would you put on some pants? Mother of the world. Okay, Matea's gonna give her opinion, but we saw kangaroos, we saw gorillas, we saw an Okapi. I'm gonna let her talk, but it was amazing.
Today we saw lemurs, Okapis, whatever you want to call them.
Hey everybody! Have a magical day. So today Matea and I are at Animal Kingdom. Wait till you see her new ears. They're amazing. Hey Matea, tell me about these ears.
They're donuts. They're donuts.
And do you like them?
Yeah.
And what did I buy them for?
Oh, my birthday.
And how old are you now?
I'm still 12.
And then pretty soon you're gonna be how old?
13.
A teenager. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, where are we going now?
We're going to see the kangaroos, hopefully in the Tree of Life.
Okay,
well,
and we've been here how many times?
A lot of times, but we've never seen the kangaroos.
Okay, let's go see them.
Okay, let's go.
Why would they be called the lesser flamingos, Matea?
There's nothing wrong with it. That's so sad.
They should be the most.
The most flamingos. The better flamingos.
The better flamingos.
Flamingo?
That's so, yeah. It's excessively derogatory to call those flamingos the lesser flamingos. Okay, so we've never gone on this one path right around the Tree of Life. So we're gonna do that now. Animal Kingdom, honestly, is the best zoo. It's so amazing. It's the best. You won't see everything from this video, but you're gonna see, hopefully, we're gonna go on this path. We want to see kangaroos. Thought it said pardon the catfish.
Oh my gosh, Mom, look at this.
Shark catfish? Oh my gosh. Yes, that's a catfish?
That's huge.
I would freak out if I was in a lake and saw
I
it.
watched like river monsters about this. This is
Let me
scary.
see. What are you saying?
Can you call catfish like regular cat?
Kitty, 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 kitty.
Yeah.
It was huge. I don't think I got it on film, but it was humongous.
I'm trying to not let go.
No.
Of my
Here,
ears.
kitty, kitty, kitty.
Wait, should we go meow?
Want a kangaroo? We
They're
can't
so
have one as a pet. Look out.
They're like puppies.
They're sleeping.
Oh my god. Gosh, they're so cute.
Tired.
So right now we're going to Gorilla Falls, and then after we're going to Graffiti's Planet Watch.
Gorilla Falls. Matea, well, who are your favorite animals here?
Gorillas. They've been my favorites in 2nd grade.
I know, mine too. So let's try to get to them. What were you saying
That's
about the Okapi?
It's not related to the zebra at all. It's more related to the giraffe, even though it has
Giraffe?
zebra stripes.
Yeah, look at him. Let's go see him. He's so beautiful though.
He got bigger.
Yeah, he got bigger. He was
When
sort
they
of
first
like,
had him, he was like a baby.
we've been seeing him since I wonder what his name is. We don't remember his name.
No, they never told us, I don't think.
So gorgeous.
Mama, it's over there. I hope he comes and says hi.
They must have known that you were coming.
Baby, that's the mommy gorilla.
This is my favorite exhibit here.
That's the mommy.
This is a big sister.
This has gorillas came down.
Little mommy. Mommy's right there. Mommy.
We're just looking for some gorillas right now. So I overheard a woman say that she likes the Animal Kingdom even more than the Magic Kingdom. And it's so much fun. It's like the most amazing zoo. And then also, the gorillas are great, and the Pandora ride is so incredible. Matea, what do you think of Pandora? It's really good, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is one of your favorite things to do that people don't know about, right?
Yeah, but
where are we?
We're at Animal Kingdom, and we're going to Rafiki's Planet Watch, which is the petting zoo area. If you didn't know what it
Petting
is.
zoo area, and you have to find a special secret, like Hogwarts station.
Mommy,
You
I
get
have
on
a
the
question.
train and you get a backstage
Do we
lot.
actually like have to look for pictures, like sneak into Animal Kingdom?
Oh.
Like,
Whoa. Get on, Matea. You ready?
yeah.
So Matea has always been great with animals and always loved animals. They have pigs. Okay, pigs are the big thing. Let's go look at the pigs.
It's like cotton candy, but like, you know when you already eat cotton candy and it's kind of sticky?
It's like sticky cotton candy. Aww,
That has like
sweet.
so many layers.
It's so
Like you can't
sweet.
even touch it.
This guy, look.
Oh, he just came right up.
They are certain Hello guys. Matea, you see you near that pig again. Look. That's some cute pig.
And then they will shed their skin about every other month or so they can refresh it and have a brand new one.
I am terrified of snakes. Hate snakes. I don't like snakes, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna touch it.
Okay, this is me getting as close as I'll ever
Very
get.
gentle.
It's gonna be really scary. I mean, I've touched it.
It's too close.
Good job.
Oh my gosh, Matea.
There you go.
Don't touch me. Go wash your hands now. What in the world? I never realized. Huge. Giant
Look, he's coming down.
Giant anteater, yeah. Okay,
He's
all
coming down
right.
to us. He's like, hey, everybody.
It's like a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, he's like,
Oh gosh.
that water can't be too deep. You could probably like stand. Look, Mom.
That's huge.
He's in the water.
We'll go back up. Probably has some lights.
When they're like sheep and like goats and like donkeys, a cow, an alpaca, and other animals that we saw. And I got to pet all of them. And we saw lemurs. They're like collared lemurs, the ring-tailed lemurs also. We saw the shark catfish. It was like this size of a table. Oh.
Yep.
And we saw, oh, I got to pet a snake. It felt like a really, like it felt like a softball. Like it felt like this. It was like, I don't know. And also, speaking of another animal, there was a dog over there. It's not over there anymore. And I was trying to be the hero, and I wanted to go save the dog because it looked very sad, and it was like tied up. And I wanted to be the hero because, you know, I watch like all the like rescue YouTube videos about like dogs and stuff. And then this guy and woman comes and just like starts petting this dog. I don't know if it was their dog, probably not, but like it just took it. So Animal Kingdom is my favorite park, and then it's Animal Kingdom, Epcot, Magic Kingdom, Hollywood.
Okay, and then what's your favorite thing at the Animal Kingdom?
I like seeing the gorillas, and I like Dinosaur and Expedition Everest and Pandora. TV, so subscribe to YouParent.
Oh, here's a little story of a mom and dad.
She's no Angelina.
Yeah, and he's not Brad. We're raising lots of kids from all over the world.
3 bad boys, that's Shanice girls.
Sam and Andrew, it's important to mention, were born in New York City via 2 C-sections. Matea was adopted in 2005. She came from Guatemala.
She's a chica alive.
Ethiopia called in 2008. Adopted 3 siblings, Jared, Ella, and Grace. Adopted again in 2011. Ella came from Ukraine. Now we have 7.